Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining this WhatsApp group, and I'm super excited to welcome all of you to our 3 hours live workshop, Use It or Lose It, which is completely backed up by neuroscience and psychology. It's a highly interactive workshop and also learn by doing workshop where you will learn the concepts and apply the learnings during the session itself and experience the magical results for yourself. I'm not even kidding about it. Well, I promise you that by the end of the workshop tomorrow, you will have these 3 major key takeaways. Number 1, you will understand how your brain and nervous system play a major role in boosting your productivity. Number 2, you will understand how you perceive the time and you feel about time, which can open up lot more insights about yourself, like why do you tend to miss deadlines, or why do you procrastinate, or why do you tend to get more distracted at times. And number 3, the most important thing, you will understand the different types of work pressure, let me quote, unnecessary work pressure that you go through every single day, and you will have a lot more insights about it. So more than a productivity booster session, I would say, or I would proudly say that this is a more of an awareness session where you will understand more about your own self. And not only that, you will also get 5 bonus gifts, which is worth 4,000. And I have a surprise gift for people who join exactly at 9:50 a.m. because we are going to start the workshop at exactly 10 o'clock. So do not miss this surprise gift. I will reveal it only tomorrow. Alright, I'm super excited already to see all of you tomorrow. I hope you are also excited. Better be excited about it, because this workshop is going to impact not just you, but in your family, friends, and in your colleagues. Let's together build a productive environment around us.